How to lock USB drive with password without using any software. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you lock your USB or hard drive with password without using any software on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you must have the Windows 10 or 11 Pro, or you can also go through the Education or Education Enterprise. So if you have any Windows 10 or 11 Pro, you can easily turn on the BitLocker on your drive. So for that, you'll have to just firstly insert your hard drive or USB on your PC. Alright, so after you insert it, you'll have to just open the file manager on your PC. Alright, so after you open the file manager, you'll have to just do a right click on that hard drive or USB. Alright, so after you do a right click, you can easily find out options like turn on the BitLocker. So simply click on that turn on BitLocker. Alright, so after you click on that, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just choose for the password whom you want to lock this drive. So simply from here, you'll have to just enter your password, and from there you'll have to just again re-enter your password, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just click on the option next. Alright, so after you click on that, you can also do a backup recovery key on your drive. So for that, you'll have to just select any Microsoft account, or you can also save to a file, or you can print the recovery key. So select the one from here and click on next. Alright, so from this option again click on next. Okay, so from this section you have to just click on the option start encrypting, and after you click on that start encrypting option, you will be able to start the encoding on your drives. And after the encrypting will complete on your drive, you can see options like locking your drive on your folders, and from there you'll have to just enter the password which you have been created to unlock that drive. So from here you'll have to just enter your password to unlock that drive. So from here you'll have to just enter that password, and from there you can easily lock your drive using BitLocker on your Windows PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.